Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I don't know exactly what I'm doing, but that's generally the usual when it comes to me. I never really plan looks, I just kind of go with the flow of things. But I know for a fact that I will be using the Norvina Collection Volume 1 palette. I love this palette so far. I'm actually expecting a delivery for Volume 3, which some people were like, well, why didn't you get Volume 2? That way you can get the whole collection. I really wanted Volume 3 first. I do plan on getting Volume 2. That way I can have the whole collection. I honestly do think that this palette is completely and utterly worth the money. I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Dew Primer. Master Prime Blur and Smooth Primer.
So I told myself every day I'm going to take an hour out of my day to film. I'm going to stop working. You know, it's easy for me to kind of like make my own schedule. I do run my business as if like it's a regular business. I make intros, outros, and little cartoons. Kind of like what you see like the beauty gurus and stuff have. I make stuff like that. It was a hobby at first, and then somebody was like, oh, you should really sell that. It was a hobby at first, and I first started off with Pixar, and then I was like, I don't like the way that this looks, so then I learned how to hand draw everything, like my picture that you see in my profile, and my banner, I did that, I made that, yeah. But I did tell myself, I lose track all the time when I talk, my mind just goes boom, 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 boom. I told myself I'm going to take an hour out of my day, every day, stop work, take some time for myself when my kids aren't here to make noise and distract me, to film. Because I definitely put it on the back burner, because I was just so
You saw my bra strap. Big booby committee here.
I'm going to use my L'Oreal Infallible foundation in the shade 460.
It's like my favorite process because when I film, I like to watch myself and I'm like, wow, bitch, you look bad. You look like you're dead.
True Colourpop brow pomade, and this is in Taken for Granite. And my camera's gonna try to play me right now. And this is in for Taken for Granite, and I love this.
So I use a brow pomade. Sometimes if I don't really care, like, and I just want like a not so dramatic brow or a more defined brow, I'll just like line it with a pencil and like gently fill it in and then just blend it out. But how I generally do it is I generally look down and I line the bottom and then I blend up as I go. And then I turn my head so I can get a better view, and I just blend up as I go. Kind of like just blending anything. And if it's a little sloppy or something like that, it really doesn't bother me because I will conceal it. Like I will carve it out with the concealer. Start off by packing D1 into my crease and packing, not blending yet, we're just packing the color in because I did not set my concealer. And now I'm gonna cut my crease. I'm going to take D3 and I'm going to pack it on the outer third of my eye. Go in with E1 and pack that on the rest of my eye towards the inner. We are going to conceal our face and contour bronze this bitch. So I'm going to be using the CoverGirl Trublend Undercover Concealer, and this is in the shade Golden Natural, and that's obviously to conceal. And Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Dark Cocoa to kind of like bronze contour, like a cream. I'm gonna set my face with my CoverGirl Trublend Mineral Powder, and this is in the banana shade. Put on my lashes. I just use these Kiss lashes. I believe these are the style 11. Could be wrong. I have like lashes just kind of like stacked up like that I just reuse sometimes. And for highlighter, I use the Colourpop Flexitarian highlighter for my inner corner and highlight along my face. I did my lower lash line already with the same colors that I used on my lids, and I put mascara on, and now I'm going to do a liner, and I think I'm going to go in with the Colourpop Cream Gel Liner in Puppy.
It's not really like a fall look or anything like that. I mean, it kind of is though, because like if we're being honest, red and orange and like yellows are kind of like fall colors. So I think we're good. And for lips, I use the Colourpop Pitch Lip Liner, and for my lips, I use the Ultra Satin Lip from the Becky G collab in Mija.
I'm going to use the Ultra Glossy Lip from Colourpop in Fairy Floss, not Moonchild for once. I really like it. I'm digging it as usual. I think I look like a sexy bitch. So now I'm gonna set this face with the Maybelline Lasting Fix setting spray. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, as well as the notification bell, so you know whenever I post a video. And I promise they're going to be more frequent now. All of my social media links, as well as all the items I used, will be listed down below, so please go on and follow me on there. And if you like any